Today we have a new app called DroneControl from the DJI SDK, and we're going to try it. But first,
Hey, you're finally awake.
so that completely failed. The Garmin Edge adapter doesn't mate real well with the tripod mount, and it fell. But that's okay. We're just gonna move past that to trying out the app that we want to look at today, which is DroneControl. The interesting thing is you actually get a consumed minutes graph here, so you can actually see how many you got. You get 30 per month. It looks like, so that's pretty good actually. You could actually allow somebody to take over your drone and drive it for about 30 minutes, which is not bad for a free product. I have to have a buddy check it for me, but I was able to see the feed. I have to check with someone if they can control. Turn? I have no idea. Oh, hold up. Drone. I have given you drone control. Oh, yeah! I can see you turning. This is so dope, dude. How's the quality? But how's the quality? Nice. So he's controlling the thing from somewhere far away, which we will not disclose on video. Nice, dude. It's awesome. So is the quality good on the video or not? Can you control the gimbal, like moving up and down on the? Hold up. Picture control and camera control. There you go. So you can switch between video and picture. Yay! Take a picture of the booth from hundreds of miles away, Frankie. Nice. That's awesome. Okay, this is totally awesome. The pricing is a little sketch, but you know, it's cool. So they charge $3 for 60 minutes of streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna ding him a little bit for that. I'm gonna be like, can I get a self-hosted option that I can just use the app without paying for anything? I'm just saying. Got a copper over server somewhere. All right. That's it, bro. That's all I needed. I could test it myself, but I was like, oh, I'm on the same phone that's on. There's the camera now. With the what? That is me. You found me. Quick update from the editing booth. I really didn't get to say a lot about the product after reviewing it. I didn't get paid to review this. I just saw the post by someone saying that this was a new thing on the DJI SDK. I wanted to try it. It worked perfectly on the Air 2S. I assume it works perfectly on the Mini 2. 30 minutes is not a lot, but it is free. And I also saw that you could fly around without activating the streaming options, but there really isn't much else to do in the app other than the streaming options. I think a self-hosted option will be amazing for this thing in the future, but I'm going to definitely be looking at this for a re-review in the future because it was just pretty good. 30 minutes is a little low on the free side, but you know, it's free. You can't really expect much. I've also added a Amazon wish list to my video description because somebody asked like, oh, how I can support or whatever, and I was like, well, go buy me some filament on Amazon. I always need that stuff. That's all, folks.